You cannot allow the people around you who do not practice their faith as they should to draw you away from practicing your Catholic faith as you should. You cannot let the bad example of others influence you. God will judge them for their actions. God will judge you for yours. You need to focus on being a good Catholic, regardless of the people around you who are not. Focus on your life. What people do around you does not affect what you are supposed to do. And in this, you cannot allow yourself to become jaded to others in the Catholic Church. There are many good Catholics. Although there are many that do not practice their faith, there are many that do. There are many good Catholics, more good Catholics than bad Catholics, I would say. You cannot allow yourself to become bitter towards those around you, thinking that you are surrounded by people that do not take their faith seriously, that do not live their Catholic faith. Remember that this is a wheat field, not a weed field. You are not alone.